What's up, YouTube? It's Danny back with another video. Today, I'm excited. I've been waiting for this watch for 6 days. It took 6 days to get to my house from Tissot. We had a crazy snowstorm, as a lot of you who live in the United States were well aware this past week. We had a wild, massive snowstorm. I think like 18 states were affected, including mine. I live in Kansas, if you don't already know that. So ordered this last Friday. It is now Thursday, the 30th of January. And also, I just want to say, shout out to everybody that has subscribed, has commented, and all that stuff. This channel is really taking off, and I'm really excited for what's to come. So, yeah, thanks for all the support, all the love, all the comments. And it's good to be among a bunch of watch enthusiasts such as myself. It's very nice. With that being said, real quick, today's wear is my Seiko Flightmaster, which I still need to do a video on. This is actually from 2010. I bought it last year in 2025. Got it from Japan on eBay. And it's one of my favorite Seikos in my collection. So very much love this watch. Video coming eventually. But definitely want to get this one going somewhat soon. So stay tuned. Video coming soon for this and a bunch of other watches. Anyway, that being said, let's take a look at the Tissot. I have not owned a Tissot in about a year. I used to have one. Sold it to a former employee at my former job last year. He saw it, and he actually offered me more than what I paid for because he really wanted it. He loved how clean the dial was. It was a nice looking Tissot or Tissot. I think it's Tissot. It was a nice looking Tissot field watch. But this one, definitely in contrast to that one, way different. So that being said, without further ado, it took 6 days. I'm tired of waiting. Let's open it up. And I am beyond hyped for this one. She got a good deal on this one. I paid just under $450 for it. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. I've never seen it in person. I've always seen it online. So this is nice. This is very nice. So first of all, nice box, Tissot. Very nice box. But yeah, let's pull it out carefully. Nice pillow it comes on. And yeah, let's get a look. Let us get a look at that. Let me get this plastic off. Now this is a beautiful watch. My goodness. Like, it looks good on camera, but it looks even better in person. My goodness, that is a beautiful dial. Look at that. So it's a silver dial with a fluted gold bezel. That is beautiful. This, if you don't already know, chances are you probably already read the title. This is the Tissot Ballade. I want to say Ballade. I think it's Ballade. What a beautiful, strikingly beautiful watch. That silver dial with the gold indices, the gold hands. It says gold. It says Swiss made in gold at the bottom. I know this camera doesn't get nearly as close. I may get some B-roll with my iPhone that gets really close. Wow. It's funny. Today is the 29th, and it's already set to the 29th. Now, the time is wrong. I think it's just a coincidence. This has been sitting in the Amazon truck. It is cold. It's 18 degrees outside. Feels like a block of ice. Man, beautiful. All right. There's the back. We'll get a closer look. Let me unwrap it. And before I do that, though, let's see what else we get. Hi, Kiki. I know. Daddy's got a new toy. So, we've also got the register my watch card thing. Pretty cool. Obviously, I didn't buy it directly. I bought it from Amazon. I didn't buy it from a dealer. So this did not get filled out. I don't care. Not a big deal. And then you've got the massive booklet on the watch. What else do you get? Anything else? Oh, yes. You've got... Don't eat this. This is not candy, you know. And I think that's it. Yeah. Cool. Beautiful box. I will definitely be saving the box. I save all my watch boxes, but definitely will be saving this one as well. I'm going to go ahead and put the warranty card right back in. I'm not going to fill it out. I'm just going to leave it. That way, if I ever decide to sell this, which I doubt it, the buyer will have that. So, yeah. Very cool. Put it back in its sleeve. Put the box in storage. And, yeah, let's go ahead and unwrap it and then size it. So, let me just unwrap it real quick. This won't take nearly as long because it's a real watch and not from China. Butterfly clasp, very cool. Plastic. Look at that, it's so easy to peel off. So easy. Wow, what a beautiful, beautiful watch. This is definitely better than my other Tissot. I love the silver and gold. It's breathtaking, honestly. Beautiful watch. All right, let me get this clapped out Seiko off. I'm joking. I love the Seiko. But I want to wear the Tissot. Oh, man. I can't wait to show the guys on Watch Crunch. It's going to be so cool. All right, there's the Seiko. Set it off to the side. We're going to put on the Tissot. I'm guessing 4 links. I'm going to take off at least. Let me see. Get it all put together. Yeah, this is going in the premium watch box. Yeah, this is going to go in the premium watch box. Okay, so 1, 2, oh, maybe 5? I think I'm going to take off 5 links. All right, yeah. Wow, this is, okay, all right. Let me go ahead and resize it. I'll be right back. 5 links. 5 links removed. So I think I said 4. I was 1 off, but yeah, 5 links. So 4 regular links and then 1 half link. But yeah, yeah, baby, look at that. That Jubilee bracelet is so beautiful. So this is the Quartz version. They do make an automatic version as well, a mechanical version. But for $450 or just under $450 for the Quartz, not bad at all. So the automatic is, I think, $1,100. And I just didn't want to spend that. I could have. I just didn't want to. I liked the deal of $450. So very nice. Very happy with it. Beautiful dial. I'll get some close-up shots probably right now as I'm speaking. Just an overall beautiful, beautiful timepiece. So I will link this below on Amazon if you're interested. Yeah, I'm very happy, very excited to wear this tonight to church. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.